Hey everybody, Happy New Year's. Here are my window units and fans. I got a logo, a reversing valve, some of my stuff here. The Amana, 1988 Amana, vintage box fan. I don't know what year, it's an Atlas Air. Right now it's not in working condition, so I can't run it. You can see the wires are kind of taken apart. It's not in working condition. I got two fans up here, Massey's. I've had those for a while. Then I got my LG, which is actually the air conditioner I use in my room. I got my GE, which I don't use. It's just here. And then I got this fan I got from Van in when we met. Here we go. Pretty quiet. It's the first time for both of these to be starting up in a while. Okay, shut it off. Here he goes. Definitely use a lot of air, it's just a little noisy. Let's shut down. Has a longer spin down time. Gonna go ahead and start it. Here we go, stage one. Go ahead and go to stage 2. Now it's making some noise. And then it actually blows out the air right here and okay. Here's the back. This is my room air conditioner. It's an LG 8000 BTU. Uh-oh. Bearing noise. Alright, I'm done running it. I don't want to risk the bearings going bad. You can hear the bearings in there are not doing too well. It's way worse on this one. Special there. Here are my central air conditioners. This is a 2019 Goodman. I do occasionally run it even in the winter because it does every once in a while get warm. But I don't normally have to. It has 10-year warranty, so it pretty much guarantees you'll get 10 years out of it. The valves down here are starting to turn brown. There's a data right in there. Would dim the light so you can see it better. The data. Got a little bit of a light up there. That's like studio light. Here is my 2.5 ton 2001 Carrier. This is a model 38 CKC. I just repainted its fan grill not too long ago to this glossy gray. It says it's prevents rust. There's the compressor in there. It's a Bristol reciprocating. It's getting a little dirty. I'll do a cleaning on that in the spring. This is a 2.5 ton. That's a 2 ton. Looks good. This is the old upstairs CKC. Still here. Need to get rid of it. It's old Bristol reciprocating. Made it all the way to 2020. Yeah, I have taken out all the good parts in there. is 840. Here's our lights. We do a good bit. And here is this old heater I have. It's not in the current working condition. I do plan on getting that thing working. That's where the LG goes in the summer. I never did make a video on this, but here's our new water heater. The Rheem Performance Platinum. It is not the Wi-Fi one, but it's like the one below it. We built a custom stand down there for it. $288 a month. Here's my cat Casper. He's 9 years old. I don't think he wants to be here right now, but I gotta get some video on him. Here's an energy guide from the Goodman box when I installed my Goodman, probably about 7 months ago now. And some Cope and Scroll stickers. The old YCC defrost board, my cousin's. Alright, here's my mini fridge. It's running right now. Got a Christmas tree on it. See you guys next time.